Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and of course find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick Timmy, then tap on the edit icon and tap on add picture. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to those three different sections. So we've got those illustrations, which are pretty cool, and I highly recommend to check them because they are really nice. You can pick something from those options if you want to, of course. If not, you can always enter Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, or device photos, the same situation. But here, this section is divided between, again, two different options. So the gallery again, your own photos, or the camera. And after picking the camera, your device will open, obviously, the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. However, I will pick something from the gallery, so let me tap on it and of course give all the permissions. And for some reason I cannot see my photos. Alright, maybe here. Alright, that's not what I wanted to. Okay, finally. Alright, whatever. I've got the screenshot. After picking the photo, you can change the position of it. You can zoom it in or zoom it out a little bit. And thanks to this, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area in this circle is responsible for it. So what you can see here will be saved and applied. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on choose. And as you can see, the photo will be immediately applied right here. And remember about tapping on save, because if you will not do it, then the contact will not be saved. As you can see, this is how our contact looks like. You will be able to see this photo, for example, on the contact list or during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. This is how to add the photo to contact in this Xiaomi device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.